Yeah, hello. My name is Jong Kim, and I major in automotive engineering at Yeongnam University. So, the design project experience that I will talk about today is a capstone project that I conducted in a subject called engineering design. So, our topic was a thermal improvement model for a laptop cooling fan, and I was a team leader. So, yeah, I will explain the process in more detail as a table of contents. Our, pro- our project took about 3 months. So first, we will discuss the reason for selecting our topic and the information and data research that support it. Where we identified the problem with laptop cooling pads on the market and aim to create a model to improve them. To achieve this goal, we collected data, which include pad and checking different heat generation locations through laptop from various companies. In order to realize our model, we analyzed solution and prototypes through brainstorming, and based on this, we went through a 3D modeling process to create a prototype. So after testing through the initial prototype model, we supplement and improved the shortcomings and additional problems that arose. So, and through this process, we were able to present the final product. So, yeah, well, now let's take a closer look. So, product selection and problem definitions. I think most engineering students like us use various major related software. So, they must carry a laptop. So, it is very important in various fields. The performance of the product varies depending on how well the heat management system is implemented. So, likewise, the heat problems is a very important task to solve for our laptops due to the nature of the software that require high performance in our field. So, well, one of our team members was using an Echo laptop cooling fan and suggested that solving this heat problem was not as smooth as expected. So, well, we based on this, we additionally purchased and tested a laptop cooling pad from Nobelview, and the results were the same. So, as a result of our analysis of the cause, we are able to confirm that the location of the CPU and internal circuits of the laptops of various subsidiaries. It means, for example, Apple's, Asus, Samsung, no. So that are actually mass-produced differ depending on the model, and thus the location of the heat generations are all different. So in other words, the location and number of fan were inefficient, and the lack of concentrated cooling was identified as a cause. So to solve this problem, as I mentioned, we check the location of heat generation in various laptop and collect information by looking up various potentially related to laptop cooling. So finally, uh, we adopt a method to directly adjust the position of the fan up and down as a final solution. Yeah. And next we start making prototypes to implement the solution. First, how to adjust the position of the cooling fan. Likewise, we brainstormed various opinions through divergence thinking, and the above is exactly that. The method of inserting it into the hole was finally adopted because of it is of production and use. Yeah, it's easy. So the following is the manufacturing method of the cooling fan. So from the result, the fan was fixed to use a cable tie. And next, the circuit connecting its fan and the control unit was designed. A total of 4 fans were connected, and the length of the wiring was adjusted by soldering because the fan on the far left and right were far away. So Yeah, and the power supply was placed on the low left, and each wire was organized using a cable tie. And uh, and in addition, the laptop cooling stand was also made in the same way by inserting it into the hole. And after that, based on the feedback from other teams that the additional edge were sharp, so we applied Killet to solve this problem. And model cover so that the circuit board of the control display was not exposed. We also designed the switch so that the button would work well even with this cover. So, and in anticipations of the error between the 3D printer and the actual prototype model, so we gave 1 millimeter tolerance to each of the pan joint and protrusion part. Through this process, we finally completed our laptop cooling pad heat improvement model, so which look like image above. So with this final prototype model, we conduct a cooling test by generating heat in the laptop using Steam 3D Mark program. So this is Asus laptop test result and Samsung Samsung N series test result. So through a total of 3 such tests, we were able to finally compare the selected model with our model. And in fact, it was difficult to say that our model was superior. So that's all for my project experience that I will talk about today. Thank you for listening.